My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, welcome back. So it's been a long time since I have done Foundation Friday, but I am going to do that today, yay, because I am going to be trying a new foundation that I got at Walmart, and it's by Milani, and it's Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. So yeah, and I've got it in the number 06 Sandy Beige. So here it is. So we're going to be trying that today and see if it really does work as a foundation and a concealer. We'll see. But anyway, let's try it. You have to excuse I moved my makeup table. It used to be right there in front of the window, which was perfect. It lit up my face really nice with natural daylight. But I moved it over to the corner because my husband was having a hard time getting in and out of bed because there was hardly any room there. So I moved myself over to the corner, and I've got my tripod there and my little tiny, it's about this size, little ring light that like way washes me out but makes everything else back there look kind of dark. So I am going to be ordering a bigger Diva ring light. That's what it's called. I'm not a diva, but that's what it's called. Just had to clarify. I'm not getting a Diva ring light because I think I'm a diva. I don't think I am I? I don't know. Anyway, getting a Diva, I think it's called Supernova ring light, but it's like a couple $100. So until then, you just kind of have to make do with kind of a dark backdrop area. So anyway, let's try this. I don't have any makeup on. I just have some lip balm on just to keep my lips soft. Whoa, that light is really blinding me. So I have to stare down and stare for a second just to find what I need. Okay, so first I want to try it on my finger because I don't know if you remember any of my Foundation Fridays, I always like to know what the consistency is, if it's runny. Ooh, I like it. So yeah, it's not very runny at all. It's staying put. So yeah, let me just do that. Eek. I hate using my fingers. You know what, I'm just gonna do this. Put it wherever I want it. Let's try it like that. Let's be lazy right now. Okay. Okay, and I'm just going to use a stippling brush, and this one is, I forget the name of the company, darn it. Oh, it's Eco Tools. So let's try this and see if this really does serve as a 2-in-1. The telltale is, did I say that right? Telltale, whatever, is usually under my eyes because that's where I have some dark circles. So if it can conceal that, then I will be liking this. And I think I like it. It looks like it's concealing my dark circles. And I can't tell because the light is so bright in my eyes. I can't tell if the color is good. I guess I'll know after I watch this back, because right now that light is blinding me. Still in my robe. Sorry guys, I'm getting a late start today, but I've got to get my day started and make a video for either my crochet channel or this channel. I mean, another video besides this one. So I don't know. I can't tell if it's blended or not because I can't see. I really need to fix this situation here since I put this desk here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is with no concealer on or anything. I hope you notice a difference. Now that the light is starting to not be so bright, it looks like it does a good job, and that's just with one application. So yeah, I think this is like perfect for I got hair, got a brush hair on my nose, for the days that I'm just staying at home and I don't need to brighten, use all the other brightening stuff or anything like that. I think this is perfect. What do you think? You can probably tell better than me. I don't know, it looks like the color's pretty good, right? Seems to match really well. But let me see what would happen if I used another application. I mean, if I did a second coat under the eyes, will it work even better? You know what, I'm going to use my fingers this time because I know a lot of people don't like brushes, and it actually is good to use your fingers because it helps to meld, M-E-L-D, meld the product with your skin. Kind of the heat helps it to conform to your skin the way that it should. So yeah, I like it. Wow, I like it. I like the consistency, and I think this is awesome. I definitely think this is a 2 thumbs up foundation. Let me just blend that in a little bit better. See, that's why I don't like using my fingers. It takes too long. But yeah, so for any of y'all that are wanting a full coverage foundation that's pretty reasonably priced, I believe this was between, I think, $6 to $10 if I'm not mistaken. So it's very affordable, and I think it does an awesome job. So I'm gonna go ahead and say see you later, and then I'll come back with a full face of makeup. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, I'm back, and I've got my full face of makeup on, and I think I really love this Milani 2-in-1 concealer foundation because guess what? I thought I was going to use concealer in my usual triangle under the eye area, and I didn't. I didn't use any concealer on my face whatsoever. The only thing I used concealer for was to create my cut crease eyeshadow. That was it. I didn't use any on my face at all. So I think I really love this. It's a time saver. I don't have to use concealer if I don't want to, or neither do you. So yeah, if you would like to see me do a full video of me putting my full face of makeup on using this Milani 2-in-1, then just leave the comment down below because I am really impressed. After leaving this bright light, I went and looked at my dresser to see how it looks, and I love it. So yeah, and I went ahead and put false eyelashes on for you. I just felt like glamming it up. Why not? I was so excited about the foundation. I thought, ooh, I'm gonna glam it up today. And so yeah, another thing that I am loving, and I haven't forgotten, I told you that if you wanted to learn how to do this super easy, basically under a couple minutes cut crease eyeshadow look, to let me know in the comments down below, and you did, and a lot of y'all said yes, I would love to see how you did that. So I've been using cut crease ever since I learned it. I think it was last week or the week before. I think it's awesome, especially for us ladies that are, 50 plus. I'm 52 years old, so the reason why I think it's good for us ladies that are older, especially those of us who might have hooded eyelids. I don't have hooded eyelids, at least not yet. I don't know if I will get them later, but I think it's great for those of y'all that have hooded eyelids because you get to create a crease as high as you want it. Of course you don't want to go crazy high, but you get to create a crease that maybe you are starting to lose because of your hooded eyelids. So I think it kind of opens up your eyes, it lifts them. It's almost like an eye lift without having to go under the knife. So yeah, I like how they make my eyes pop and make my eyes look younger, I think anyway. That's my opinion. And hey, this is my journal, right? This is my video journal. And yeah, I mean, whatever I learn or get excited about, I want to share with you guys. So I'm excited about this foundation. I'm excited about learning the cut crease. And afterwards, when I went and looked in the mirror, when I wasn't blinded by this light anymore, I noticed all these little scratches right here. You see them? I should have covered them with makeup, huh? But what they are, they're from my little 8-month-old granddaughter, my Glama girl, Petrova. I need to cut her nails. But anyway, yeah, in case any of y'all are wondering, it just kind of occurred to me. You might wonder why I call myself Glama. Well, actually, it was my 11-year-old and 9-year-old Glama girls, granddaughters, that started calling me Glama when they were really, really itty-bitty, when the oldest one was just itty-bitty. And just everyone thinks they're my daughters rather than my granddaughters. And she says, you don't look like a grandma. So she they've started calling me Glama. And so I've been Glama for the last 11 years, basically. So that's why I call myself Glama. And hence the name Glamming It Up with Glama, or Glam It Up with Glama. And I also have a crochet channel called Made with Love by Glama. So yeah, everything, I don't even consider myself Leticia anymore. It's Glama. Everything's Glama this, Glama that, because I live for my grandkids, and my grandkids call me Glama. And I call them my Glama girls. Anyway, just a little FYI for any of y'all who are wondering why I call myself Glama. It's not for vanity purposes at all. It's because that's what my grandkids call me. So anyway, if you would like to see how I was able to achieve what I think is pretty good under eye makeup without using concealer, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll do a full face of makeup using this. I did use highlighter on my cheekbones, but nothing under my eyes or anything. And I did use translucent powder under my, but it was translucent, so no color at all under my eyes, just to take the shininess off my face. So anyway, I'm excited, can you tell? All right, well, I'm gonna go get dressed and I'm gonna make another video. I think I'm gonna make a talking video for this channel because I wanna explain, I wanna do kind of like a reintroduction video. I did one 2 years ago with no makeup on my face and explaining why I started this channel. Well, I think I want to do another one because at the time I had maybe 2 or 3 subscribers and they were my family. And so now I kind of, even though I've only got 5,000 subscribers in here, I want to kind of explain to all of you 5,000 people. Actually, it's like 5,400 or something. I want to explain to all of y'all why I started this channel and what this channel means to me and what it's about and the content that you're going to be finding on this channel from me. So I think I'm going to go do a talk through. If any of y'all want to ask me questions or anything, you can do so. You can go visit me on my Snapchat. It's GlamaChat if you want to look me up under my username, or you can go to Glam It Up with Glama on my Facebook page. Where else can you find me? Instagram is Glam It Up with Glama, but you have to put underscores in between each of the words. So you can find me on Instagram. Where else can you find me? I don't know. So I think that's it for now. So yeah, let me know down below if you want to see me putting on my full face of makeup on using this. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much Glama loves you. Don't forget to love yourselves, and don't forget to love everyone, everyone, no matter who they are that you come in contact with. All right, if we all do that, this will be an awesome, awesome world to live in. Alrighty guys, I love you. Bye. Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.